So how do you hide your assets before a divorce? Here are the two biggest secrets to protecting your assets in a divorce. Big secret number one, act quickly, and here's why. You usually know when love is on the rocks and the end is near. So the number one secret is not to wait until after the divorce is filed. Big secret number two is hiding doesn't work. Protection does. What's hidden can be found. You'll be required to disclose all of your assets, and believe me, attorneys have ways to find your assets, and they will. And if you're hiding assets and not revealing them, you'll be charged with perjury. So that's why it's so important to protect your assets and not just hide them. Because if they are truly protected, even if they're found, they will still be protected. So next, you'll learn exactly how to protect your valuable assets when a divorce is likely. First, we'll use places where you can hide and protect the value of your assets instead of keeping them where they are out in the open, where they're not safe. This is called an asset protection plan. An asset protection plan includes setting up the proper legal tools. This is where you get a court judgment against you, but your opponent cannot touch your assets. Now, there are many different options for asset protection plans, trusts, LLCs, and so on. However, very few people consider how to properly use a trust or an LLC to have the highest possible level of asset protection because you don't plan on being divorced. In the past, I've seen divorces happen at the most unexpected times, which normally leads to the loss of properties to the likes of your partner. And I've seen marital affairs pop up unexpectedly out of nowhere that leave marriages in shambles. And if you own assets and you have a partner who might want to take those assets from you, now might be the last chance that you get to protect those assets before they're taken away from you by the law. If you have lots of money and you're making a considerable amount of money, the most powerful tool in our asset protection arsenal is the Asset Protection Trust. We've set up thousands of them, and these are documents designed to protect your assets from divorce and other legal attacks.